Alrighty guys, so back again with another Marvel Corps video, which this is the September theme. See, it's Marvel Zombies. Pretty excited about this. I like this set. So let's see what we get. I haven't seen any of these pops yet. So start from the top, which this is a Gambit pin. It's cool. I like Gambit. He's a pretty cool character. And then t-shirt, which there's a lot of guys on here. I know it's Wolverine. This might be Gambit as well. Galactus? I don't know, sorry. Yeah, t-shirt. Size small. And then coming soon. Seems like they don't have a theme yet. It just says coming soon. Alright, so pin as usual. Not a pin, a sticker. And then two pops. This is Zombie Red Skull, which is my first Red Skull pop. There we go, Zombie Red Skull. And then the last pop is Deadpool with another Deadpool. So Deadpool carrying a zombie Deadpool head. Deadpool. There you go. So we got our two pops, sticker, pin, and our t-shirt. Thanks for watching, and we'll see what this is coming up. Bye.